Alright, good morning everybody. Just out with Jared here, and we landed on this spot. I've shown this spot before, but we're on the rock here up at Widgeon Lake, and Jared's just blown away. He came in and landed on here all by himself, and I don't know where he went now. There he is. And he's just so excited he had to hop out and get a couple of photos of this. So, pretty awesome! What a view! Amazing. Nice.
All right, Gary, so where are we headed today?
Mount Breckenridge.
Mount Breckenridge, and
it's all going with us.
You brought one or two little things with us here?
Just a couple of items.
Just a couple little items. How long are we going for?
10 days, hopefully.
Hopefully 10 days, if the weather holds.
Oh, hi there.
Hey, there you go. You got the shovel?
Yes.
See if we can fit that in. We got a couple more items over there. Nice. We'll see if we can fit all this into that thing. See how that goes. So we just landed up here. These guys are about to start unloading their stuff, and we'll see if we can leave them up here for about 10 days or something like that. Hopefully they have enough food and they don't get weathered out. We'll see how that goes. Well guys, we did it, eh? Look at all that stuff. Amazing. How did that fit in the helicopter?
It's a freighter.
It is a freighter, that's for sure. We're on the top of Mount Breckenridge, 7,000 feet. And this is actually where I went snowboarding, right over there, about, I don't know, 6 months ago or something like that. So anyways, let's run around, see if we can have a look at what's up here. Look at all these crystals all over the rocks, inside the rocks. Huh, how happy are you right now?
Amazing. I'm in my glory.
Yeah? Oh man, Gary, look at this. It's awesome.
Oh, it's everywhere.
It's pretty steep up here.
Actually, yeah, it's way steep. The melt is incredible.
Yeah, so low this year. Look at it.
From where we were those 3 years ago.
Ah, what a difference.
Incredible. And the millions of years for all this to have happened, you know?
Look at that, eh? Wow. And only in the last few is it exposed.
Yes, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
And now there's another place that is interesting also.
Oh, really?
One day.
Yeah, yeah. If the snow melts away finally.
Yeah.
Well, it's coming, yeah.
With a wander over there, maybe.
Yeah. Wow.
That was right there. Right there.
Oh, man. You guys are going to be busy for a long time in here.
I'm afraid you're right. 10 days might not be enough.
Yeah, I know. Check out the color on this one. Oh, wow. Here, grab it.
Look at this. That's got another mineral.
Yeah, that's what it's saying.
Beautiful.
Whoa, look at the blue and the purple.
Yeah. I'm taking that one home, sorry. That one's worth 5 times as much.
Pilot privilege. Oh,
that's right.
Right here. What?
Wow. This is beyond my expectations,
Oh, this
really.
is way more than
really
I
is.
So we just asked for an orbit here around the infield because we have a Sea King. I don't know if you guys can see right there, shooting a low approach onto the runway here. And we were coming in for home base here, but I wanted to get a quick view of him. So I don't know if you guys can get a good view of that, but that's pretty awesome. A Sea King doing a low approach onto the runway. Nice. That is so awesome. Haha. Look at him go. Just booking it along the runway there. Sweet. What do you think of that, Arthur?
Pretty awesome.
Following a Sea King. I love it.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on here. We have James and Dee, who you guys haven't met yet, but James trained with us about 2 years ago, and he's been off working in Newfoundland recently, and so he just finished up with his job in Newfoundland, and I'm excited to say that we've just hired him on as our new charter pilot, and he has just left Newfoundland, and if you guys have a look here, tracking him, he's driving back. I'm just tracking him on his trip back. So if you guys have a look here, they just got off the ferry from Newfoundland, and so they just hopped off, and now he's got an inReach tracker on his vehicle, and this is where they are. So it looks like they're just getting towards St. Peter's, and so they're going to be driving all the way across Canada. That should take them, I don't know how long it's going to take them, maybe 2 weeks or something like that, all the way across in their van, and then he'll be starting hopefully in the next couple weeks or so with us as our new charter pilot. So if you guys want to get to know them a little bit, I'll put a link in the description below of their wedding. Actually, they got married on top of a mountain. We filmed it a couple of years ago, and we posted it up on YouTube. So I'll share a link for that in the description below. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys the update on that. Alright, we are just up in the mountains here, and we got Jared and Arthur with us, and this is their first flight in the R44. They're super excited about it, and we decided we're going to just switch seats out here. So Jared's just finished his flight, and now we're going to shut her down, and Arthur's going to do his flight. So we just found this spot up in the middle of the mountains, and it's just this meadowy sort of spot with a couple little lakes and stuff. What a phenomenal area. And here's the excited boys. First R44 flight, what'd you think?
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah, pretty crazy, eh?
Very crazy.
Yeah, very sensitive controls. Arthur, you excited about going next?
Felt relaxed, yeah.
Yeah? You felt relaxed in the back seat? Nice. That's awesome. All right, we'll swap seats and away we go. just flew it, so that wouldn't really make much sense. So instead of priming, let's skip past that. So area is clear, mixture, we're skipping past that, ignition. We need to go to both. We're not going to go prime, we're going to go to both. So let's switch it over to both. There we go. Yep. And then we're just going to check our area is clear. There's no bears coming around us or anything.
Yeah, exactly. All clear.
All clear, and so we're ready to start. So left hand is going to be on the starter, right hand's going to be on the mixture.
And it's the same then on the...
Same as on the Schweitzer, yep. Okay. So hit the starter, push it in when you hear it fire. Time to have some lunch up here.
Pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta take a leak.
It's too exciting up here. Oh yeah. Good stuff. That's good. All right. So we just shut the helicopter down and we are trying to get into that glacier right there. And I think I told you guys this last year. I went in there and then a couple months later it collapsed. And now it's all melted open again. So I want to get up to the mouth of it, and if I'm brave enough, I'm going to try and run inside quickly, get a quick shot inside, but we'll see how it goes. This is pretty steep up here. Nice. Yeah. That's part of the course. They teach you guys mountain climbing. Oh, don't slip off of there. Careful on that last step, Jared. Don't let it slip. Oh yeah. It's windy up here. Oh man, look at that view with the helicopter. Oh yeah. So that is what we're trying to get into. And I don't think it's gonna happen. There's no way to get around this rock that I can see. I don't think it's gonna happen, guys.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get in there. All right, so we just came off the Stave Glacier,
And as you saw there, everybody got to go have a look inside the ice cave in the State Glacier.
Yeah, no kidding, right? That cool or what? Yeah! Hopefully it doesn't collapse on us. Oh, this is amazing! Oh, it's amazing! Wow! Look at that! My feet are freezing! How's that? Isn't that amazing? Like one of the coolest